Okay, this is section 1.2, part 3, where we're going to look at evaluating an algebraic expression. So just a little quick reminder, remember an expression is not the same thing as an equation because an expression does not have an equal sign. Alright, so there's no equal sign in an expression. So everything we're looking at in this section is just an expression, no equal sign, so there's no solving going on. Alright, just evaluating. So, let's take a look at an example. Alright, we'll actually use green. So we've got the expression 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 when x equals negative 2. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to substitute in the value of x, alright, which is negative 2. Alright, you're going to substitute value of x, negative 2, in for x. So I'm going to put negative 2 in each of these spots. So I'm going to say 3 instead of x, I'm going to plug in negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 5. And this looks now exactly like the type of problem we did in the previous part, which was order of operations. You want to go through your order of operations, your PEMDAS. Alright, so the first thing is parentheses. Alright, we see we have parentheses, but are there any operations to do in these parentheses? And the answer is no. Alright, there's just numbers. So next we're going to go to exponents, and we see, yes, there is an exponent here. And look, the negative is included in parentheses, so we're going to take that negative as part of the base. So negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be 4. So I'm going to evaluate that piece next. 3 times 4. There are no other exponents, so I'm just going to drop the rest of the problem down. So we've got P, E. Now we're going to do M and D for PEMDAS. Alright, multiplication and division. And all we see is we've got a set of multiplication here, set of multiplication here, so we want to evaluate both of those. So 3 times 4, that's 12, plus 4 times negative 2, well that's negative 8, minus 5. Alright, so we've done multiplication. There was no division. Now we want to look at addition and subtraction. Remember, we're going to evaluate both of those from left to right. So we're going to say 12 plus negative 8. Well, 12 plus negative 8 is going to give us 4. I'm going to drop down my 5, and 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So we've successfully evaluated this algebraic expression when x equals negative 2. We'll look at one more example. We've got number 2, which is 7x plus 2x minus 7 cubed when x equals 4. So the first step is going to be to take that value of x, which is 4. We're going to plug that in for x. So I'm going to rewrite this by substituting 4 for x in each case. And then we're going to look at our PEMDAS, our order of operations. You can see, okay, we've got parentheses here. There's nothing to do. We also have parentheses here so that we have some evaluation here. So I've got some multiplication and subtraction, so the multiplication should come first. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 7 cubed. We've got a little bit left to do in here. There's one more operation, which is subtraction. So I'm going to drop down the 7 times 4 plus 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 cubed. So we've done all that we can with parentheses. Next we want to look at exponents. So 1 cubed is still 1. Now we're going to look for multiplication and division. We've got multiplication here, so 7 times 4, that gives us 28, plus 1. And lastly, the addition gives us the answer of 29. Alright, and so that's evaluating an algebraic expression.